Hello engineers, I'm Yash. In this video, I will show you how to set up React project using Vite and install Tailwind. So let's get started. I have empty project opened inside VS Code. Now open your favorite browser. Head over to Google. Search for Vite Get Started. Click Getting Started link by Vite. Scroll down until you see npm install prompt. Copy npm create Vite at latest prompt. Go back to your VS Code. Open terminal inside VS Code. Now paste prompt into terminal. Hit enter. Terminal will ask you to name your project. As I have already created the folder, I will just enter period. Period means you want to install project inside current folder and don't want to create new folder. If you wish to create new folder, name it whatever you like, then hit enter. Now it is asking to select our framework. Use arrow key to go down and select React from the list. Now again, go down and select JavaScript. Vite project is now ready. If you give name to your project, instead of using period, then you want to cd into the folder first. As I use period, I don't need to change directory. Now type clear into the terminal. Next, type npm I to install all the required dependencies. This will take a while to install. Once it is done, type npm run dev into the terminal. It will start server on port 5173. Now I prefer port to be 3000. So I will open Vite config file and change the port. Below plugins, type server, which is an object. Next, type port 3000. You can see port change to 3000. Head over to localhost 3000 to see the output. You should see something like this. We have successfully set up React using Vite. Before we go ahead and install Tailwind, please drop a like and comment what you really like about React. It really helps the channel. Thank you. Once again, head over to Google. Search for Vite Tailwind. Click on Install Tailwind CSS with Vite. We have already finished step 1. Go to step 2 and copy the prompt. Paste it inside VS Code terminal. Once installed, you should see Tailwind config file inside your Explorer. Open that file. Go back to Tailwind website and copy step 3. Remove everything inside Tailwind config file and paste the code. It should look like this. Go back to site, copy step 4. Inside VS Code, click on source folder. Then open index.css file. Remove everything inside the file and paste the code you just copied. Now open app.jsx file. Remove everything inside React fragment. Make sure to select exactly what I'm selecting. Now delete it. Also delete React logo, Vite logo and app.css file. Delete useState and delete its import. Now create h1 tag inside React fragment and type hello world. Inside h1 tag, add class name attribute. Now type text 5XL. This will make font large. Also type font bold and text red 400. Inside terminal, type npm run dev. Now head over to localhost 3000 and you should see hello world displayed in big red bold font. Go back to your VS Code. Click on extension tab. Search for Tailwind. Install the plugin Tailwind CSS IntelliSense by Tailwind Labs. This plugin will help you with auto completion and make your Tailwind experience much better. That's it. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. I will try my best to answer them. Drop a like and subscribe for more videos just like this. Thank you.